Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of Threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Threads and we click here. Then we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.